D13. I believe this is the first or second major item that we're offering. You can see the liner looks very similar to a DD15, except the bore size is a little bit smaller. There's two different liners. There's a APR liner, and then there's a non-APR liner, depending on the vintage of the engine. The liner kits come with the liner, seals, and then for the APR liner, obviously comes with the APR ring. For D13, these new water pumps, these are what they call variable speed pumps. They have it looks like a fan clutch, but it also controls the speed at which the pump operates. So there's two different numbers. What the difference is I think one's a later model engine, one's an earlier model engine. But we put an MCB in front of this part number because we include the mounting bolts with each pump. You can see that mechanism on the drive mechanism. It looks like a fan clutch, but like I said, it regulates the speed at which the pump turns. We did this bushing with the help from our friends at Reviva and our engineering team here. We've developed a replaceable bushing, so you can replace that bushing like a conventional connecting rod bushing. Press it in, press it out, and then finish it to final size. So the MCB 7151 was developed for the 13-liter engine. The MCB 7150 is for the 15-liter engine. Also for a Volvo, same application, D13, we developed a couple of bearing kits. So with the one part number, you can order all the bearings needed to roll in a set of mains. And also we did the same thing on the cam bearings. So it's got all 7 cam bearings, the front bearing, and 6 of the rear bearing. So there's the main bearing kit. You see the thrust washers, the thrust main, and then the balance of the main bearings. Components of the Inframe kit there, the gasket set. It's got a conventional monotherm style piston, the liners, the bearings, and etc. for the Inframe kit. The interesting that Volvo calls the upper set on these a decarbonizing kit.